Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord code. To begin, understanding code formatting enhances readability in your messages. You can easily highlight specific text as code, making it stand out from regular chat. This is especially useful when sharing programming snippets, commands, or any text you want to present precisely. Mastering these simple formatting tricks will significantly improve your communication on Discord, ensuring your messages are clear and easy to follow for everyone. For multi-line code, type 3 backticks, then your code, and finish with 3 more backticks. For example, Python print, hello, will display a Python code block. Adding the language name right after the opening backticks, like JavaScript, enables syntax highlighting. This feature makes your code much easier to read and understand, especially for longer scripts or complex commands. It's a powerful tool for developers and anyone sharing structured text. To use inline code, simply wrap your text with a single backtick on each side. For instance, help will appear as a small code snippet within your sentence. This is ideal for mentioning commands, file names, or short variables without breaking the flow of your conversation. Remember, adding a language identifier after the triple backticks, like CSS, automatically applies syntax highlighting, making your code visually distinct and easier to parse for others. When sharing longer code or configuration files, always opt for the multi-line code block. It keeps your chat clean and prevents long messages from cluttering the channel. Remember to specify the language for optimal readability. Also, for those long coding sessions, staying hydrated is key. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Using these tips will make your Discord experience much more efficient and enjoyable for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.